Uh-oh.
This concerns me.
This is our pride and joy. Our most critical custom-built software applications over the company's entire history, all working together in harmony. Here's our operations management software built in 1986, last upgraded in 2003. Here's our entire trading platform, still running on OS 390.
What are you going to do with this?
We're sending this baby up to the cloud.
Do you even know what's inside? How it works?
I feel blindly optimistic that this will not ruin the company.
Just use CAST. It's like an MRI, but for software. It actually reverse engineers the software system architecture and shows you
interactive application maps showing end-to-end transactions and data access paths. I could see inside.
which will help our architects and developers navigate to the cloud.
CAST. Know what's inside your software before sending it up there.